Holy cow.
I mean, that is right over top of it. Look at that, dude.
Holy cow, we should get out of here.
Yeah, we're going. We're going.
Let's go.
Look at that. Get it, dude.
I just...
It's all
Wait,
around us.
where?
Look, it's coming right at us right now.
What?
Look at that right there.
Holy cow! So there's a tornado right next to us?
Yes.
Well then, let's go! Let's... Hurry!
We're all right. We're all right.
I don't want to be
We're all right.
swallowed by that. Holy cow! I can't even see the debris with my camera, but holy... There's debris everywhere! Do you see that?
Yeah. Are you filming?
Yeah! But I can't see it. It's too small
Look,
debris.
oh my gosh, look at that!
Oh! Whoa! Is that just cardboard? Holy cow! Debris everywhere. Oh, I can see it in my camera a little bit now. Water in the way. Oh, dang! I see
Oh my
it!
gosh!
Did you see that thing?
Holy crap! Holy crap!
Oh! Dude, that thing looks like a devil! On Earth! Holy crap! It's right there! Holy crap! Holy crap! It's right in front of us! It's right in front of us! Oh my gosh! I've never been in this situation before!
Hold still.
What do we do?
Oh my gosh, look at it, dude. We're right...
Did it just pass us?
Yes!
Holy cow! Wow! Oh! How do you feel?
Oh my gosh, that tree just fell over!
Really?
Yes!
Where?
Right there in the cemetery, that whole tree, that huge tree just fell over.
Well, let's go past it. I want to get it. What is it? Like, oh man, a lot of huge branches. Oh, that was so scary. Oh, that was awesome. I want to do that again, don't you?
Holy crap!
Were we in danger there?
No, not really. It was all around us, though. Holy crap is right.
Joanna, can you say holy crap? No. Oh, okay. Can you say, oh man? Oh no. Oh, just oh no. Oh. Dude, look at that.
You see the tree right there?
Do you see the metal?
Yeah, look at the tree right there. That whole tree just fell over.
Here, move your head back so I can get it when we go by it. Oh.
See?
Oh, freak. Oh! Whoa, that tree is damaged. Hey, roll down your window. Holy crap, that's a fallen tree. Or cemetery. One of those dead people. Is it gone now?
I don't know.
Oh, look over there. Oh. Wow. Holy cow. That was awesome. Wow. Do you have any adjectives you want to say?
Holy cow.
Holy cow. Awesome.